Welcome to the Centennial High School. Want a more hands-on future? Check out our top-notch career technical education pathways.
Hi, welcome to Centennial High School Culinary Arts. We have a 3-year pathway. We feature Culinary Arts 1, which is your foundation year.
I like the program because I get to experiment with different foods.
You get to learn a lot of new skills with cooking.
And then Culinary Arts 2 is our baking and pastry and meat unit focus.
Honestly, I really like making pastas and just things like that.
Also, I just really like it because it'll prepare me for what I want to be when I grow up, which is a culinary arts teacher.
And once you've mastered all those different cooking skills, we will then put you through to Culinary 3, which is our restaurant management class, where you get to run our student-led cafe.
Every Wednesday, Tuesday, and Thursday, we open up in the morning. All the teachers could come in, sometimes students for coffee.
Here in this class, I teach you guys how to make videos, how to write scripts. Students make music videos, commercials. They go out and cover sporting events.
As soon as we started our first film, I was like, oh, I love this class. It's gonna be fun. If I'm a freshman, an incoming freshman, I would definitely join this class and be in it for all 4 years.
We have a lot of equipment and machinery, and one of our foundational goals here is to help you guys learn and understand and be confident in using all this equipment.
I want to use this to go places in life, get bigger, and I think this is a great way of starting it. It's a great school, great education.
Students work on a year-long business plan portfolio project where they create and design their own unique business suited to their specific interests and a need that they identify in society.
It teaches to be more organized and helps with our business soft skills. It often helps with our speaking skills as well.
Like our logo and our mission statement, our vision statement, all that.
Right now I'm working on my photography and video project for my business.
You're also offered the opportunity to join Future Business Leaders of America, where they have the opportunity to compete in a wide range of competitive events from business communication to business law, impromptu speech.
Well, I'm in the cybersecurity pathway and also the gaming industry.
As you can see, we have a lot of top-of-the-line equipment in here. We are into a culture of creation here. So when you get here, you're gonna make stuff, and we have fun doing it. And most of all, as far as I'm concerned, you are going to learn how to lead.
I'm actually an athletic trainer here at the school, and I really enjoy the program. I like how we get to interact with all the different sports here, and we get to actually experience what it will be like to be a trainer or to be something on the sideline with sports med.
Centennial High School's CTE programs offer real-world training in high-demand careers. Get certified and enroll today.